How to set up a free GoDaddy website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up a free GoDaddy website or create one for free. It is going to be very simple and very easy. We are going to head over GoDaddy.com. Then we are going to head over the website and hosting in here. So we are going to select this case and click on Website Builder. So we are going to have the free trial for the websites and not the account. After that, you're going to create an account. As you can see here, I have created a account within my Google account also, so it is going to be related. I'm going to head over my dashboard. Normally, in your case, you're not going to see this specific, let's say here, page or let's say a panel, but we're going to have to face up all of the way the specific website creation process. So what are we going to do is to simply set up some few steps before having a website. And these steps are going to be having the content of the website, the type of the website, descriptions that you're going to put into the GoDaddy IRO AI or the assistant AI that will give you an explanation on the website if you're going to not have some better ideas to put on the descriptions of the objects. So we are going to have the first step, which is going to be choosing the features that you need into your website. Either you're going to sell something online, put a calendar to book services online, or something else like simple uses for websites like have an article published, having a blog published, or whatever. So you can go ahead and select one of the items, or you can select them all together or two of them or whatever. So I'm going to have maybe a store. So we are going to click on sell with an online store. If you're going to put some services, click also on book appointments online. Then we are going to click on OK. That was the first step. Now the second step is to have the kind of website or the type of the website that you are going to have or create. So maybe I'm going to have a cosmetic and beauty supply, as you can see from the suggested categories. Maybe we're going to have some perfumes. I don't know here. Perfume. I'm going to type in perfume shop, beauty blog, and etc. So we're going to head over perfume shop, click on it, click on continue. Now we're going to name our website. So we are going to give it a name like Jack, for example, Jack Fragrance, something like that. We are going to click on continue. Now we can implement or have the business physical address, phone number, email, and etc. And then you're going to click on continue. If you do not want to put them like the information, it is going to be up to you. Now, this is the point where I have told you about on GoDaddy IRO. It is going to have the AI help you to create descriptions for your website. So it is going to have all the details that you're going to put in here, and it is going to take them in place into your website. Go ahead and use it. I highly recommend for you to use it. But in my case, I'm going to simplify things and skip the step. So from that, it is going to generate the website that you have, and it is going to give you maybe some of the images that they have into their database that are going to go well with the website. Let's see here the image, and it has give us the image that will go well with the GoDaddy or the website subject, like the perfume. So what are we going to do, or what can we see first? Basically, it is going to give you the choice to implement whatever section that we want. So we have the about section, featured product section, photo galleries, and etc. If we want to implement logos and badges in here, you can go ahead and have maybe the brands that is going to be going well with your website, like I don't know here, the variety of brands for these products, content, for example. It is going to have here a subscription for content, or you are going to have blog posts or newsletters, social links if you are going to have some social media links, featured categories, and etc. Just select and deselect whatever you want from the sections, and then you're going to click on continue to my website, and you're going to see all of the content that has been implemented. Basically, this is how you can create a free website. You can go ahead and modify whatever you want from the text, the images, the banners, and add the sections, delete the sections, add pages, and etc. As you can see here, we have the website on the main navigation shop, Privacy policy, terms and conditions. You can modify the theme, the colors, the fonts, the buttons, set up the shop by seeing the featured product, featured categories, and also check up the settings for other, let's say here, tracking for analytics and etc. So this website basically is going to be particularly free, but it is going to give you a trial. So that trial is going to be lasting 7 days. So your free plan includes premium features for 7 more days. That means that you're going to have this website only for 7 days. Then you're going to either pay for it or let it as it is. It is going to let you lose the premium features like adding pages and etc. for other, let's say here, out of the plan. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.